Today we're going to talk about a text response essay for the film Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. First of all, we will look at our prompt, which is here, and we're asked to discuss it. It is important to underline the key terms and words and write synonyms. We've also already been looking at the word hero and looked at the qualities of what a hero is. So as we move along, let's look at the introduction. The introduction has four main parts. These have been highlighted for you, so you can pause this video at any time to have a look closely. So the first section of the introduction asks you to state the title of the film and the name of the director. Then you're to make a comment about the key character and the major message of the film. Then you need to restate the prompt, this prompt here, in your own words. You can turn it into a statement. And then you need to formulate and identify your two arguments. In our case, we're arguing that Ron Weasley and Hermione Granger are heroes. So let's look at the introduction, stating the title of the film and the name of the director and a few words about the film. Director Christopher Columbus's 2001 blockbuster Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone is about an 11-year-old boy who learns that he is a wizard and is invited to study at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. And now a comment about the character and the major message. During the film, Harry Potter discovers that he is famous as the boy who lived, and for defeating the dark wizard who was responsible for the murder of his parents. While at Hogwarts, Harry must overcome a number of dangers, and his acts of heroism show that that courage is certainly the most important characteristic for a hero. But we're saying that Harry is not the only hero in the film to demonstrate courage. That's our contention. And now our two main arguments are going to be about his fellow Gryffindor friends Ron Weasley and Hermione Granger, who display this quality with their own acts of heroism during the film. Now we'll move to our first body paragraph. And in this body paragraph, we're going to be talking about Ron. In our next one, we're going to be talking about Hermione. This is where we try to prove our point. So, we have a topic sentence, as you're very well aware, our evidence, explanation and link. Now, generally speaking, in this situation, one piece of evidence with your explanation, but we do need a quote. Quotes add emphasis to our evidence. So, here's our topic sentence. Harry Potter's friend Ron Weasley demonstrates that he is a hero when he responds selflessly and courageously when he and his friends are faced with danger. So, we're just making a statement. Now we need to provide evidence from the film to support what we're saying. He showed his heroic qualities when he faced the troll in the girls' bathroom. Ron grabbed a rock and faced off with the troll, yelling, "Hey, pea-brain!" attempting to draw its attention away from Hermione. He then grabbed his wand and cast a spell saying Wingardium Leviosa to levitate the troll's club to strike him in the face. So there's our topic sentence and our evidence. Now explain how this evidence proves that he is in fact a hero. This demonstrated that Ron possessed bravery and courage to face the troll in order to protect his friends. And then we have to link back to our contention and our topic sentence. Ron's acts of bravery and selflessness clearly demonstrate his heroic qualities. We'd follow the same structure, this time for Hermione Granger. In Hermione's case, we have got quotes where she says, "Stop moving and relax." You'll notice here we have inserted the word "and" in square brackets. This is in order to make the sentence flow smoothly. It's okay to provide one piece of evidence and one explanation, but you will in future be asked to show two pieces of evidence and two explanations. I would challenge you to try this as soon as possible. And we end with a conclusion, where we restate the contention, we summarize our two main ideas, and finish with a strong concluding statement that sums up your point of view and leaves a lasting impact on the reader. So to restate the contention, throughout the film Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, the main characters are faced with many dangerous situations, but all of them demonstrate their heroic qualities despite the peril that they face. Great. Then summarizing, so we need to summarize about Ron and Hermione. So we say Ron and then we mention Hermione, and then we need a final statement. Each character exemplifies great courage in their own way to place the needs of others before their own when faced with life-threatening situations.